very important for your NEET examinations. So seriously practice madak start ಮಾಡಿ, right? So in the last class, I think I have started the connecting bodies. Connecting bodies na boundary system ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ system boundary ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, correct? System boundary. So we have to remember the two forces here. One is which is responsible for the momentum, other one is responsible for the opposition of the momentum, correct? ಒಂದು momentum, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು opposition of the momentum. So what we can, how we can remember ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ನಿಲ್ಸೋದು ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. So it is very easy for us to remember. ಬಾಡಿನ ಓಡಿಸೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು, ನಿಲ್ಸೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು, ರೈಟ್? ಓಡಿಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ನಿಲ್ಸು ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಎ. ನೆನ್ಪಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಓಡಿಸು ಮೈನಸ್ ನಿಲ್ಸು ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ if you want to remember, you can remember. If you want to remember in Hindi, you can remember in Hindi. ನನ್ಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಚಲಾನೆ ವಾಲೆ ರುಕ್ನೆ ವಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಎಸ್, ಚಲಾನೆ ವಾಲೆ ರುಕ್ನೆ ವಾಲೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸೋದು ನಿಲ್ಸೋದು ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಮ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಐ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ position. So m1, m2, m3 into masses, they become m1 plus m2 plus m3, correct? The force which is responsible is called F, and force which is responsible for the stop is called 0. First case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, I think we had did that. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? Which problem we did in the last class? Problem ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. I think I have given the a formula for that, correct? A is equals to F divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3, correct? Yes. Tension find out, yes. Tension find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? We separated. ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Tension find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? We separated, right? So this was the diagram I had written in the last class. ಈ diagram ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ last class ನಾನು. m1 is a force, m1 is a mass, and force which is acting in this direction, correct? So I have one more body which is connected to this. This is called m2. This is called m2, and I have one more body which is connected to this. This is called m3. Correct? This was the diagram I written, if I'm not wrong. Correct? So this diagram ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. So here I get the tension. T1 is acting in this direction, and T1 is acting in this direction. T2 is acting in this direction, and T2 is acting in this direction. Right? Right? If I want to find out T1, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು T1 ನ find out ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? So I'll make this as a boundary, and I'll make this as one more boundary. Simple sir. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Very simple. If I want to find out T1 here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So this will become one system, and this will become one system. Are you getting my point? So this will become one system, and this will become one system. ಈಗ T1 ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, T1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈಸಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಒನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ such a way that ಒನ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು 0 ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ F is acting in this direction, T1 is acting in this direction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If we can find, it's not a difficult one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. The force which is responsible for momentum of a body is, ಎಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ? The force which is responsible for the momentum of this body is T1. The force which is responsible for the momentum of this body is T1, right? The force which is opposing this box is 0. So the force which is opposing this body is 0 is equals to mass of this m2 plus m3 into G into A. So I can find out the T1 value from this. I can find out the T1 value from this. T2 ಅಲ್ಲ, T1. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಪುನೀತ, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಸ್. T1 is responsible for this. Opposing force is 0. m2 plus m3 into A. If you want to find out the value of T2, T2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, and entire thing is 1. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ T2 ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. Yes, T2 is equals to the force which is responsible for the momentum of a body is T2 and is equals to minus 0. Nobody is opposing this, is equals to M3 into E. M3 into E. I can find out the T2 value very easily. Is it right? Is it right? Yes, sir. It is right. So if they ask you to find out the net force on M2, if they ask you to find out the net force on M2, what you will do? Net force on M2 is equals to F net is equals to on M2 is equals to M2 into A. Net force on M2 is equals to M2 into A. We can find out the net force on M2 by using this formula M2 into A. Right? Shall we start solving a problem based on this? Numerical tagona, number tagona idukke. Shall we take number and solve this problem? Yes? Very good. Very good. The question is like this. I have a three boxes. Three boxes, Tavana. Box number 1, box number 2, box number 3. Box number 3. Apply forces on either side of this. No, no. Let me apply F is equals to 100 Newton here. And F is equals to 60 here. F2 is equals to 60 Newton here. F1 is equals to 100, F2 is equal to 60. So this box may be 15 kg. And this is 10. And this is 5. This is 10, this is 5. Find all the things. And then find acceleration. Find acceleration. Find the tensions. Find the tensions. Find the tensions. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. What is the first step? The box kottitashna connected bodies kottitashna first acceleration find out what try ಮಾಡಿ. What is the first case? First case ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು? I had to make this as a boundary. I had to make this as a system boundary. System boundary ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. So ಈ ಟಪಕ್ T1 T1 T2 T2 this T1 T2 T1 T2 get cancel. Boundary ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Boundary ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ what is left here? Force which is responsible for the momentum of a body is 100. Force which is responsible for the momentum of a body is 100. Opposing force is 60. Opposing force is 60 is equals to masses 15 plus 10 25 25 plus 5 30 30 then 40 is equals to 38. Therefore A is equals to 4/3 meter per second square. 4/3 meter per second square. 4/3 meter per second square. Done. So serious ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. They will fail to solve this problem. Seriously speaks, they will fail to solve this problem. Formula work ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 ಕಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. But you are finding it's very easy enough. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, the force which is responsible for momentum minus force which is opposite is equals to M. Yes, Fahad? What happened?
Yes.
I'm not able to hear you, Fahad, properly. Board is not clear, huh? Board is not clear. Is the problem with everybody? Board clear idea? Nodi check ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ. Clear, sir. Maybe network Fahad. I can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I can tell you with your voice that your network is not proper. Check your network, Mr. Fahad. Right? Right. I found the value for acceleration. Now it is tasked to find out an tension. Let me find the value of T1 first. Right? T1 find out product nodi and make this as a boundary and this as a boundary again. So observe ಮಾಡಿ. Which you will take now? ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ opposing force ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ opposing force ಇದೆ. I don't select the lesser box to find out T find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ lesser box ಇರೋ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, the body is moving in this direction with an acceleration E because 100 is greater than 60. The body is moving in this direction, correct? So apply now. Which is the force which is responsible for momentum of 5 kg? 100, correct? 100. Who is opposing this? Who is opposing this? T1 is opposing this, is equals to 5 into A. We just found the value of A. A is equals to 4 by 3. A is equals to 4 by 3. We have to find the value of T1. So 100 minus 20 by 3. Correct? 20 by 3 is equals to T1. Therefore, T1 is equals to 300 minus 20 by 3. So that is equals to 280 by 3 Newton. 280 by 3. 280 by 3. Superb.
Sir, why can't we take T1 minus 100?
T1 minus 100. It's simple, madam. 100 is moving here. Towards 100 it is moving. The force which is responsible for momentum of a body is 100. Correct?
Yes,
The
sir.
force which is responsible for momentum of a body is 100. That is the reason I'm telling. Salpa yochana madi logic again. If you fails to take who is responsible for momentum and who is opposing, fail agtivi. Answers tap barutte. Right? Careful again. The body is moving along this direction. This is the force which is responsible for momentum and it is opposing. 100 minus T1. Is it right, Tanisha? Right. So let me find the value of T2. T2 find out what I can model simple. E system T2 kind of. What is, observe carefully. Observe carefully. In this block, who is responsible for the momentum of a body? Who is responsible for the momentum of a body? 16 and
T2.
T2. So T2 is responsible for momentum of a body and opposing force is 60 is equals to 15 into A is 4 by 3. 5 ones are, so sorry, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So T2 is equals to 20 plus 60. So that is equals to 80 Newton. 80 Newton. 80 Newton. Right, sir? Superb. Next, net force on this body. Find out the net force on 10. Find out the net force on each body. Another net force find out mark. Easy. What is the net force on 5 kg? Net force on 5 kg.
Oh yeah.
Net force on 5 kg. 5 into 8. 5 into 4 by 3. So that is equals to 20 by 3. 20 by 3. What is the net force on this body? Net force on this is equals to
40 by 3.
5 by 3. 40 by 3. 40 by 3. What is the net force on this body? F net on
20.
this is equals to so
20.
15 into 4 by 3. So 1s are 5s are. So that is equals to 20.
20.
20. So I think I have calculated all possible things they will ask in the examination. ಏನೇನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Remember this kind of questions ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Why can't we take 60 minus T2?
Yes, Brahmara.
So why can't we take 60 minus T2?
Again same reason, Brahmara. Body moving ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ, in which direction the body is moving? Brahmara first again. In which direction the body is moving? Along this direction? Along T2? Yes. Who is responsible for momentum of this body? T2 na?
Yes, sir.
Who is opposing this?
F1. F1.
60 is opposing this. 60 is opposing this. T2 minus 60 is equals to M into A. If you know this technique, you can solve any kind of questions based on connecting bodies.
चलाने वाला माइनस रुकने वाला.
Exactly. चलाने वाला minus रुकने वाला. Simple logic. ಓಡಿಸೋದು ನಿಲ್ಸೋದು. ಓಡಿಸೋದು ನಿಲ್ಸೋದು. The force which is responsible for holding, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. The force which is responsible for opposing. Simple. Any doubt with this question? Shall we move to next kind of question in connecting bodies?
Yes sir.
Very good. Try ಮಾಡಿ. Find out an answer for this. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ question ತಗೋಣ. Possible question, they will give the forces on either side, they will ask you to find out the internal forces. Internal forces means T1 and T2, tensions. Tensions are the internal forces here. External forces is applied forces and external force, right? So let me take an example like this. I have 3 boxes again. ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಣ ಸರ್. 3 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, right? So I have a 3 boxes like this. One is of 6, 3, 1 kg respectively. 6, 3, 1 kg. They are in kg. ಮತ್ತೆ kg ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, so ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, they are in kg. So this is force F1 is acting here. F1 is the force which is acting here. Let me take a standard question. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. F2 is acting in this direction, that is 13 Newton. 13 Newton. 13 Newton. Right? Tension which is present here is T1 is 40 Newton. 40 Newton. T1 is 40 Newton. They have given T1 directly. T1 is 40 Newton. They are asking us to find F1. They are asking us to find F1. Find F1. Find F1. Find F1.
Sir, body is moving in which direction? We don't know, sir.
You have to find out that first, sir. Body moving in which direction? You have to find out that first. Body moving in which direction? You have to find out that first. Then you have to find out the value of F1. Try ಮಾಡಿ. How to find an answer for this? Int ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. First acceleration find out ಮಾಡಿ. Then I think you can find F1. Acceleration find out ಮಾಡಿ sir first.
Sir, 43, sir. Force.
Force F1 is 43.
Acceleration is 3.
Acceleration is 3. Right. ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಗ?
Sir, F1 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 43 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದ್ ಕಡೆನೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದೆ F1 ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಬಾಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೂಪರ್. How to find out an acceleration now? Acceleration find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ. Simple thing. They are given T1 and they are given T1 in both the direction. If I use this, I cannot find acceleration. Common sense. If I use this, I cannot find acceleration. If I use this, everything is given in this. I can find out an acceleration with the help of this. Who is responsible for momentum of a body? T1.
T1.
T1 is 40. 40. Who is opposing this? 13.
13.
Is opposing this. What is the mass of the body? 9.
9.
Into A. Let me find the value of A. 40 minus 13, 27
Yes, sir.
is equals to 9A. Therefore, A is equals to 27 by 9, 3 meter per second square. 3 meter per second square is acceleration. 3 meter per second square is an acceleration. Next, how we will find the value of A? Sorry, F. How we will find the value of F?
F1 minus T1 equal to MA.
But ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. How you can judge that the body is moving in this direction? F1 minus T1 ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ?
ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ T1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು F2 ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಏ ಬಂತು ಸರ್.
T1 minus
F2 sir. Here we got that T1 is greater than F2.
T1 is greater than F2.
So body is moving along this direction.
But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ F1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 kg ಇದೆ, ಬಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? How you will tell F1 minus F2 ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? F1 minus T ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ?
A is positive. A is positive.
A is positive. Nice. A is positive ಅಂದ್ರೆ body will go in this direction. Super. A is 3 meter per second square. If A is negative, the body was moving in this direction. Super. That is what I mean. So you are not, body is moving in this direction. Who is responsible for momentum of a body? F1. Who is opposing this?
Sir.
Minus 40.
T2.
Minus 40.
T1.
T1 is opposing. Minus 40 is equals to 1 into 3. 1 into 3. F1 we will get as 43 Newton. Atam sir, we are done with the work. It will take maximum of 1 minute to solve this.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the net force on 6 kg? Find out, Martina. What is the net force on 6
18.
kg?
18.
So what is the net force on 6 kg? Net force on 6 kg is equal to 6 into 3. 80. In case what is net force on this? 80. What is the net force on 3?
9.
9. What is the net force on 1 kg? 3.
3.
3.
Super. Shall we move to next question? Simple
Yes,
idea.
sir.
I know that you can solve this kind of questions very easily. Logical, sir. Again, I repeat, force which is responsible for momentum minus opposing force. If they give the boxes, calculate acceleration. Calculate acceleration. First acceleration, calculate acceleration. And next thing, what they're asking us to find. In this case, they have given tension. They're asking us to find out the force. Calculate the acceleration and find out the force. Right? Two possible questions I have given. Connected bodies, they will give the force, then they will ask you to find out the internal forces. In the second case, they will give the internal force and they will ask you to find out the force. Is it easy to find?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you respond, we will move forward. And you respond from all 22 here so that we can forward. Right. Super. Next kind of question is connecting bodies. Next kind of questions is connecting bodies. Very good. Instead of tension, they will give in the form of normal force. Normal force former ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ boxes. So how they will give ಅಂದ್ರೆ, this is box of 15 kg. And I have one more box which is connected very near to this. There is no string here. You get rope illa. Instead of that, they have given in contact with this. This is 10 kg. And I have one more box of mass 5 kg. Of mass 5 kg. So the forces are applied on this. One is acting in this direction. F1 is equal to 60 Newton. And other one is acting in opposite direction of this. F2 is equals to 30 Newton. 30 Newton. They'll ask you to find out E. First.
1 meter per second.
So
Square.
they will ask you to find out A. They'll ask you to find out A. And second thing, force between 5 kg and 10 kg. Force between 5 kg and 10 kg. Force between 5 kg and 10 kg.
65.
See, this is the question. Try ಮಾಡಿ. Force between
That's 65 Newton.
65 Newton. Force between 5 kg and 10 kg. ನೋಡಿ check ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ. Force between 5 kg and 10 kg check ಮಾಡು. And similarly, force between 15 kg and 10 kg. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Force between 15 kg and 10 kg. ಇದು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿ 15 kg and 10 kg. How to find an acceleration first? First ಇದಕ್ಕೆ forces ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
3 by 15 plus 10 plus 5.
Super. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ forces ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first. 10 is acting a force on this. That force is called normal force in this direction. Let me call it as N1. Correct? 5 is acting on 10 with a force. That force is called N1. So I'll call it as N1. Normal force. Because they are connected with each other, there exists a force. That force is called normal force. Similarly, 15 is acting force on 10 kg. That is called normal. That is called N2. And similarly, 10 is acting on 15. That is called N2. These are equal and opposite normal forces. Right? 10 is acting on 5, 5 is acting on 10. 15 is acting on 10, 10 is acting on 15. Right. Super. Let me find the value of A first. So, merge ಮಾಡಿ, internal forces get cancelled. Already merged. Internal force already get cancelled. Then observe who is the force, which force is responsible for momentum of a body now.
60 Newton.
Greater than F2. F1 is greater than F2, then the body is moving in this direction. Super. 60 minus 30 is equals to total mass of this 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 5, 30 A. So 30 minus 30 is equal to 30 A. Therefore, A is equals to 1 meter per second square. Sir, you are 100% right. 1 meter per second square. Next to sir, task irodenu, we have to find out the value of force between two bodies.
N1.
Then I have to find out in normal. N1 find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು. I want to find
Sir,
out N1.
F1 will be taken on the basis like which force is greater. Like that, sir.
No. Actually, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ N1 is nothing but the normal force which is acting on the two bodies. When they are in contact with each other, one will act on the other will act on the one. It common ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. When they are in contact, if they are moving also, they will be acting a force on these two. If the two bodies are in contact, Priyanka, if the two bodies are in contact, if they are moving along each other, there is a force of interaction between these two bodies.
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, this body will act force on this and this body will act force on this. That force is called normal force. Even though they are moving, I'm applying a force in this direction, they are moving like this. There will be a force of interaction between these two blockers.
Yes, sir.
Contact ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Correct, sir.
contact ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ force ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So next task is that I have to find out the N1 value. Force of interaction between N1 and N2. Sorry, 10 kg and 5 kg. I want to find out N1 value. N1 value find out, man. You will get an answer for this. How to find N1? Separate this. I got N1. One box and other. Right. Same. Apply.
Yes, sir.
Apply for this block. Observe who is responsible for the momentum of this body. Careful,
60 meter.
No. Who is responsible for momentum of this box? Who is
60.
responsible for momentum of this box?
N1.
N1 is responsible for momentum of this block. N1, who is opposing this? 30 is equals to 5 into 1. Acceleration is 1. We found the value of acceleration. Therefore, N1 is equals to 35. Na? N1 is equals to 35. Force between 5 and 10 kg is 35 Newton. You can also find by this also. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Easy ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. I'll prove this also. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ N1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Because the force responsible for momentum is 60. Opposing force is N1 is equals to 15 into 1. So N1 is equals to 35 again. ಯಾವ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 35. So can you find the value for N2 now? N2 find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Check ಮಾಡಿ.
45.
Superb. What is that? Is N2 45. Superb. N2, to find out N2, I take this box separately and this two separately. E box ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Who is responsible for momentum of this box? 60. And who is opposing? N2 is opposing 15 into 1. 15 into 1. So therefore N2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು. N2 is equals to 45 Newton. Sir, are you getting my points? Are you finding it easy or difficult?
Sir, that first, second one, that 60 minus N1 equal to 15 into 1, sir. Sir, left side.
ಇದು
Sir, left. Sir.
ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಂಟರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 60 is moving force and opposing force is N1. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ವೈರ್ ಬಂತು. N1 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ N1 ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 60 is responsible and N1 is opposing.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have to add the blocks weight, sir.
ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಅದಪ್ಪ?
15 plus 10.
Correct. 15 plus 10, 25. Correct, 25. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು 35 ಬರೋದು. ಈಗ 15 ಇದ್ದಾಗ will not get 35. We'll get 45 ಅನ್ನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You are right, 25 into 1. So N1
Yes,
is 25. Careful ಆಗಿ. Yes, super, Tanisha. Careful ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Correct. Right, any problem with this kind of questions? Normal ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Tension ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Third kind of questions in connected bodies. Shall we move to next kind of question in connecting bodies? Superb. Vertical ಹೋಗೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. This is horizontal ಇತ್ತು. Let me move to vertical now. Vertical ಹೋಗೋಣ. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Shall I move? Yes, sir. ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್. Shall I move? Direct ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. No, not like that. ಮಜಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್? ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದು? ಏನ್ ತರ ಮಜಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಸರ್. From now it is like this only. Work energy power, next concept. My favorite concept. Work energy power. ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. If you understand this block concepts, work energy power. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಸ್ತೀನಿ. My favorite subject is work energy power. And my favorite subject is again oscillations and waves. ಇವೆರಡು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಜಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right? ಇದು ಮಜಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? It's giving lot of interest.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಅವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Second year optics, agree with that. Second year optics, no doubt in that. Second year optics, first year ಅಲ್ಲಿ first interest ಇರೋದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದು ಆಸಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವು. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ರೈಟ್, vertical ಹೋಗೋಣ. I take a 2 boxes which is hang like this. Rope ಇದ್ರೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? If I have a rope, you will get tension or normal force?
Tension.
Super. Tension. Let me assume it is not connected here. I am applying a force. F is F here. F apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I take a thin rope. Thick rope in next class ಹೋಗೋಣ. Thick rope ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್. Thin rope ಇದು massless ಇದು. 400 Newton is acting in this direction. F is equals to 400 Newton is acting in this direction. And mass of the first block is standard ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ question. 5 kg and 15 kg. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ an acceleration first. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Two questions they will ask in this. One is they will ask you to find out an acceleration, and second one they will ask you to find out the tension. ನಾವು ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ net forces ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. How to calculate the net force in this case. Observe carefully. ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್. 5 kg 15 kg ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 20 kg ನಾ? Let me find the acceleration first. Correct? Right? 5 kg ಮತ್ತೆ 15 kg ಇದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 20 kg. 20 kg acting downwards. 200 Newton. Right? 200 Newton is acting downwards. ಮಜಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ತಾನೆ 200 Newton is acting downwards. Superb sir.
Sir, A is equal to 10 meter per second square.
Answer calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು 200 meter downwards. Right, 200 meter downwards. 400 is greater than 200. Hence, entire system is moving up with an acceleration A. So, entire system is moving up with an acceleration A. Find out ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, A ಇವಾಗ direction ಸಿಕ್ತು. Make this as a block.
Sir, A is equal to 10.
ಇದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋ again. Opposing force, responsible force is 400. Opposing force is 200. Is equals to 20 into A. So 200 is equals to 20 into A. Therefore A is equals to
Sir, T1 equal to 300 Newton.
So 2a ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 400 minus 200 is equals to 20 into a. Therefore 200 is equals to 20a. Therefore a is equals to 10 meter per second square. Acceleration is 10 meter per second square in this direction. Tension ನೋಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. Let me calculate the tensions now. Tension ನೋಡೋಣ. T is a tension which is acting in this body. T is a tension which is acting in this body. Right, sir. Find out the value of T, sir. Take any one of the box, you can find out the value of T. Take any box, you can find out the value of T.
350.
350 na 300. I check ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
300, sir.
300. So take any one box, you can find out the value of T. So e box at the body. Let me take this box. Force which is responsible for this momentum is T. Opposing force is 200 is equals to 50 into 10. So therefore T is equals to idha kade hoytu ille ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 150 plus 200 350 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ.
Yes, sir.
Sir, now
350.
200. Sir, sir, now 200 Newton ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ 150 Newton ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು.
correct.
ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ.
Yes, you are 100% right. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 150 ಮಾತ್ರ. I am taking considering this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ 150 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. You are 100% right, man. 150 Newton ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Because I am taking only this box. If you take this, you have to take only 50. If you take, you have to take only 50. So T minus 150 is equals to 200. Sorry, 150. So therefore T is equals to 300. Right, sir? 100% right. Right. If you take this box, we have to take only 150. If you take this box, you have to take only 50. Illu check ಮಾಡೋಣ sir. Let me check here also. Okay, let me take this box. Force responsible is 400. Opposing force is 50. Is equals to 5 into 10, 50. Plus T ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. Plus T ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ.
Minus T.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 400 minus
50 minus T.
50 minus T again, because T is also acting downwards, is equals to 50. So illen bantu 350 minus T1 is equals to 50. Wapas bandre T1 is equal to 300 Newton. I got back the same. You can take any box, you will get the same answer. 300 barat. Any doubt with this vertical momentum? ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ನಾವು. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ kg? 15 kg ಇದೆ. Acceleration ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 150. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 into 10. Shall we move to next question? ಒಂದು ಮಜಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Right? Next question. Different ಆಗಿರೋ question ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Let me take a different question. Vertical motion, a different question. 127 kg box. 1, 2, 7 kg box. Connected. And it is moving with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Constant velocity. It's moving with a constant velocity of 2 meters per second upwards. Find F. Find F.
100 Newton, sir.
Find F. 100 Newton. Find F. 100% right. 100 Newton is 100% right. ನೀವೊಂದಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Find tensions. Tensions na find out next. Find tensions. 100 Newton. Observe here. What they have given. Entire body is going with constant velocity, means acceleration in case is equals to 0 na. Velocity constant means acceleration 0.
Balanced, sir.
Then this force should be balanced with this force. This force should be balanced with this force. Balance force was the concept. F is equals to this force. Can
mg.
MD, that is nothing but 1 into 10. 10. This force plus 20 plus 70. So that is F is equals to 100 Newton. Sir, I got the value of it is equals to 100 Newton. Without doubting this.
Sir, both tensions are 70 newtons. Sir.
Both tensions are 70 Newton. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ಕಂತ ಒಂದು 70
So
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
why 10, sir? 10, 20 and 70. Why do we multiply by 10?
Acceleration due to gravity, Priyanka. Weight of this body is 10 Newton in this direction. Weight of this body is 20 Newton in this direction. Weight of this body is 70 Newton in this direction.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 70 and 90, sir.
70 and 90 is right. Is it right? 10 Newton is acting downwards for because of this body. 20 Newton is acting because of this body. 70 Newton is acting because of this body. T1, T2 calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. T1, T2 calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes, sir. F is equal to 100 Newton ಇದೆ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. F is equals to 100 Newton. Box number 1 kg. Box number 2, 3 kg na 2 kg na 2 kg. Box number 3, 7 kg. 7 kg. Let me call it as T1 and T1. T2, T2. Let me find the value of T1 first. T1 again, and put a box for this. Weight acting downwards 70 Newton. So force which is responsible for momentum of a body is T1 or ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. T1 is responsible.
Sir, momentum ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Moving with velocity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ with constant acceleration.
Sir, but change is zero.
Change is zero. The body is moving with constant
Yes, sir.
velocity. The change is zero. Body is moving along
sir.
this direction now.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
T1 is responsible for that. Opposing force is 70 is equals to acceleration is 0. Therefore, T1 is equal to 70 Newton. M into A. Acceleration is 0. M into 0 is 0. Therefore, T1 is equal to 70 Newton. Similarly, let me find the value for T2. T2 now find out product E box provided. Easy work. E box. From here, I can find out the value of T2. Force which is responsible for momentum is 100. Opposing force is 10 minus T2 is equals to 0. So 90 minus T2 is equals to 0. Therefore, T2 is equals to 90 Newton. Any doubt with this? Any doubt, sir? No? So again, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care.